Thank you for your question. You see, what I feel is our mill is also something similar to what is in Russian and CIS countries. This is an old mill. It was a mill which was with 5 paper machines, 2 pulp mills, and at time of upgradation in 2008, it got converted into one good modern pulp mill, sack kraft mill, and 2 other smaller paper machines. So this is the area when it is viable, but then for looking at the energy part of it, which is for a paper industry one of the very critical one, first we have tried to stabilize our production to the best levels of operation, the capacities, so that the consumption norms, etc., are the minimum. Then we have gone in for the study in our plant for areas where energy efficiency can be done. And this we have done. We found, to our surprise, so many areas where the energy saving could be done, whether it was insulation, whether it's stopping the traps, or whether it was covering the hoods, and so many other areas, wastage of water, power factors, etc. All these were taken as a small projects, were done. But then it was still more needed to be done. And that is when we came for our project of biofuel. We, in our existing system, we have a bark boiler, but it's of a low pressure rating and it does not burn all our bark. We generate bark, we generate sludge, so these are free for us. So now this project, what we have taken, it will take care of all our bark, it will take care of the bark which I was not able to use earlier, which is stored, so it's a big quantity available, we will utilize it. Then the other part which I would like to recommend to these countries is, you see, we didn't go for a totally green field, new building, everything new. We went into our existing buildings and we tried to see how can I utilize this. We removed our old defunct boilers. We have used the old turbine building where turbine is not being used to cut down our total cost. Same on cooling tower, basins have been used. So we have tried to optimize our cost of the project, and I'm sure this all similar things can be very easily done. Many of the mills which are similar in size, which has been upgraded and which are stabilized, have a potential for further improvement. And it is a most important area which can be done. It has saved us almost in our cost of producing energy for that much area, almost 30% is the saving in our cost of the steam cost per ton of steam. So, you see that obviously there is an investment into this area, but again one has to look for how to control the cost. You see, we have not gone for biggest producers, most renowned producers who give you a project without cost or without any trouble, but it costs you a lot of money. We have gone in for producers who are competent, but they are not so expensive. They have a lot of references. Our technical people have visited, seen the sites. Same thing we have done it on to the turbine side. So there is a way to cut down the cost, make the project much more viable. Other key areas which come out very useful is number one is entitled for selling it as a green energy because it is biofuel based. If you're saving a CO2 emission, it has got a payment which can make the project attractive. So there are the ways. There are also funds available. For example, we are using EBRD fund for renewable source of energy, where they give 10% incentive for completing the project. All these are available. So one has to only see that we make use of this, and I'm sure such projects, the governments and other agencies are always ready to help it.